On a warm day in May 2025, President Donald Trump made a game-changing announcement in Doha, Qatar. The world watched as he took the stage, anticipation building for what was to come. He unveiled two new fighter jets, the F-22 Super, a radical upgrade of the legendary Raptor, and the all-new twin-engine F-55. These aircraft represent the pinnacle of modern aviation technology. This marked a major strategic pivot for the U.S. Air Force, aiming to counter rising threats and secure American air dominance for decades. The introduction of these jets is a clear signal to adversaries. Flanked by defense industry leaders, Trump emphasized the deep public-private partnership fueling this ambitious leap. He highlighted the collaboration that made these advancements possible. The F-22 Super isn't just an update, it's a fundamental transformation, integrating next-gen tech into the world's top air superiority fighter. This includes advanced avionics and stealth capabilities. The F-22 Super will bridge the gap to the future, while the F-55 hints at a longer-term vision, possibly aligning with the Navy's F/A-XX program. This dual development strategy is unprecedented. This dual approach shows a sophisticated strategy, immediate modernization with the F-22 Super, and future innovation with the F-55. It ensures the U.S. remains at the forefront of aerial combat. Both jets are part of the broader Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, a family of systems, not just a single aircraft. This program is designed to maintain air superiority well into the future. The F-22 Super will fill a crucial gap until the sixth-generation F-47 is ready in the 2030s. This ensures a seamless transition in air power capabilities. Trump's announcement set the stage for a new era of American air power, defined by advanced technology and strategic foresight. The implications of this reveal are far-reaching. The race for air superiority just entered a new chapter, with the U.S. firmly in the lead. The future of aerial combat looks more advanced and promising than ever. The F-22 Super's core mission: push stealth to the next level. Advanced radar-absorbent materials and new coatings will make it even harder to detect, outpacing enemy air defenses. Engineers are refining the airframe, tweaking seams, intakes, and surfaces to further minimize radar returns. Stealthy external fuel tanks and weapons pylons will let the F-22 Super carry more firepower and fuel without sacrificing its invisible edge. These upgrades are a direct answer to China and Russia's investment in advanced air defense systems. By slashing its radar signature, the F-22 Super will kick down the door for the rest of the force. The result: a fighter that can operate closer to threats, gather intelligence, and strike with near impunity. This isn't just incremental, it's a leap in survivability and lethality. The F-22 Super will keep America ahead of evolving counter-stealth technologies for years to come. The F-22 Super's edge isn't just stealth, it's what it can see and disrupt. A new infrared search and track (IRST) system lets pilots silently detect enemy aircraft by heat signature, avoiding radar emissions. Its next-gen electronic warfare suite provides 360-degree awareness, jamming, and deception to blind enemy sensors. AI-powered data fusion will combine inputs from IRST, radar, EW, and off-board sensors into a single, intuitive battlespace picture. This slashes pilot workload and speeds up decision-making in combat. The F-22 Super becomes a flying command node, gathering, sharing, and acting on intelligence across domains. It's not just a dogfighter, but a central enabler for the entire joint force. The future battlefield will be shaped by what the F-22 Super can sense, jam, and control. The F-22 Super will command swarms of collaborative combat aircraft, loyal wingman drones that act as force multipliers. These drones scout, jam, and carry extra weapons, letting the F-22 Super strike from a safe distance. By offloading munitions and tasks to unmanned teammates, the F-22 Super overcomes its internal weapons limits and multiplies its firepower. Adversaries now face a coordinated multi-vector attack, manned and unmanned, complicating their defenses. This networked warfare is a core NGAD tenet, and the F-22 Super will be among its first practitioners. Companies like Anduril and General Atomics are already testing these drones. The F-22 Super is evolving from a lone predator to the leader of a robotic wolf pack. The F-22 Super is a direct response to China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57, stealth fighters built to challenge U.S. air dominance. As global tensions rise and the skies become more contested, the need for technological superiority has never been more urgent. China's J-20, with its stealth and long-range missiles, poses a real threat in the Indo-Pacific. Its presence signals Beijing's intent to project power far beyond its borders, challenging the balance of power in a region critical to global trade and security. The F-22 Super's enhanced stealth, IRST, and drone integration are designed to find and neutralize the J-20 before it can strike high-value U.S. assets. These upgrades give American pilots a decisive edge, allowing them to operate deep inside contested airspace with confidence. Russia's Su-57, though fewer in number, is highly maneuverable and packed with advanced sensors. Its agility and sensor fusion make it a formidable adversary in any potential conflict, especially in the skies over Eastern Europe. The F-22 Super's upgrades, superior stealth, advanced EW and CCA integration, are tailored to counter these strengths. By combining cutting-edge technology with proven combat performance, the F-22 Super sets a new standard for air superiority. By fielding a fifth-generation plus fighter, the U.S. signals it won't let its edge erode. This commitment to innovation ensures American pilots remain unmatched, ready to respond to any threat at a moment's notice. This forces adversaries into a costly arms race and deters aggression by raising the price of conflict. Maintaining this technological lead is not just about hardware, it's about shaping the strategic environment and keeping potential rivals off balance. The F-22 Super isn't just an upgrade, it's a strategic tool for global stability. Its presence reassures allies and signals to adversaries that the U.S. is committed to defending the international order. It ensures the U.S. can project power and maintain stability from the Taiwan Strait to Eastern Europe. Wherever American interests are at stake, the F-22 Super stands ready to respond. The message is clear. America's air dominance is here to stay. The F-22 Super embodies the nation's resolve to lead in the skies and protect its allies. The F-22 Super is the tip of the spear in great power competition, ensuring the U.S. remains a step ahead in the evolving landscape of modern warfare. The F-22 Super is more than a bridge, it's a leap into the future. It's a fifth-generation plus platform, retrofitting the Raptor with sixth-gen sensors, AI, and networking. Rapid software updates, like a Digital Century series, mean the jet evolves constantly, not just with hardware. This agility lets the Air Force field next-gen capabilities now, without waiting for the F-47. Lockheed Martin's CEO calls it a Ferrari with a new engine and digital brain. The F-22 Super blends proven performance with revolutionary tech, creating a hybrid fighter for the modern era. It's a testbed for tactics and tech that will define the F-47 and its drone wingmen. By upgrading the Raptor, the Air Force manages risk and keeps its edge, while the next generation matures. The F-22 Super ensures pilots, tactics, and networks are ready for the sixth-gen revolution. A key part of the F-22 Super plan is converting older Block 20 Raptors, currently used for training, into fully combat-ready jets. This transformation is crucial for maintaining air dominance in an ever-evolving global landscape. Upgrading these 35 aircraft to the latest standard could boost the operational fleet to over 230 fighters. This significant increase in numbers will enhance the Air Force's ability to respond to multiple threats simultaneously. Building new F-22s isn't possible, so revitalizing existing airframes is the only way to grow the force. This approach not only saves time, but also leverages the proven capabilities of the F-22 platform. The conversion involves a full overhaul, new avionics, wiring, processors, and structural enhancements to ensure these jets meet modern combat requirements. And all the Super upgrades. These enhancements will significantly improve the performance and survivability of the aircraft in hostile environments. This standardizes the fleet, making maintenance and training easier and boosting flexibility for global deployments. A uniform fleet simplifies logistics and ensures that pilots and ground crews can operate seamlessly. More combat-ready Raptors mean more persistent patrols and greater resilience in a crisis. This increased presence acts as a powerful deterrent to potential adversaries. The impact is profound. More jets, more options, and a stronger deterrent. This strategic move ensures that the U.S. remains a dominant force in the skies. The Block 20 conversion is a cost-effective way to add depth and punch to America's air superiority force. It maximizes the value of existing assets while preparing for future challenges. It's a pragmatic move that ensures the U.S. has both quality and quantity in the skies. This dual advantage is essential for maintaining global air superiority. The F-22 Super program comes with a hefty price tag and major logistical challenges. Upgrading an out-of-production stealth jet is expensive and complex, requiring new research, engineering, and specialized facilities. Aircraft will be pulled from service for extended upgrades, creating readiness gaps that must be managed carefully. The debate: invest in the F-22 Super now, or accelerate the all-new F-47 NGAD program. Political support is crucial. Delays or overruns could jeopardize the program. The F-22 Super's future depends on bipartisan backing and the ability to control costs and deliver results. The path forward is fraught with financial, technical, and political hurdles. But the stakes, air dominance and national security, couldn't be higher. The F-22 Super is a bold step to secure American air dominance in a new era of great power rivalry. By fusing 6th-gen tech with the Raptor's proven design, it creates a 5th-gen plus fighter ready for tomorrow's threats. Its upgrades, stealth, sensors, electronic warfare and drone command make it more lethal and survivable than ever. Revitalizing the fleet with converted Block 20s adds depth and resilience. Despite the challenges, the F-22 Super is a direct investment in deterrence and global stability. It's more than a jet. It's a symbol of American innovation and resolve. The F-22 Super will shape the future of air combat and keep the U.S. at the top of the skies.